Hello, dear friends! Today, I want to show you a super quick and practical technique to fix the colors and lighting of a photo. One of my friends sent me a picture and said the colors and lighting don't look good, and he wants to use it for his Instagram page. As you can see, this photo has no contrast, so let's go straight to the Layers panel. Right above the background layer, we add an adjustment layer called Curves. In the Properties panel, we have 3 eyedroppers: black for the darkest areas, gray for midtones, and white for highlights. First, we pick the black eyedropper and tell Photoshop which part should be the darkest area. I chose this spot and just clicked once, and immediately the contrast looks so much better. Okay, now let's move to the white eyedropper for highlights. I'll click on a bright area, automatically fixes the other bright parts too. Finally, the gray eyedropper, which is also great for adjusting white balance. We just pick a gray area in the image, and that's it. Our photo's colors and lighting are instantly fixed. Now take a look at the before and after. So easily, in just a few minutes, or better to say, a few seconds, we managed to fix the photo's colors and lighting. Sometimes, people expect their photos to look professionally edited. And honestly, this is the fastest and easiest way to get amazing results. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any Photoshop tutorials.